Hello friends, it's Shivam Bajpayee and you are watching Digital Kaksha. So today we are going to discuss about seeds and the dispersal of seed. So let's see the objective. So first of all we'll discuss the definition of seed and describe its parts and their functions. Okay. Then we'll see what is seed dispersal, and then we'll see seed dispersal of seed by wind with example, then dispersal of seed by water with example, and then we'll discuss dispersal of seed by air with example, and at last we'll see dispersal of seed by explosion with example. Okay, so let's start. What is a seed? A seed is a small embryonic plant enclosed in covering with some stored food. Okay, and it is found under the fruit. The formation of seed completes the process of reproduction in plants, seed plants basically. So those plants who have seeds, okay, so it is the reproductive part. A new plant will start growing from this seed. Okay, a seed consists of four parts. Number one is seed coat, cotyledon, number two is helium, and number 3 is cotyledon, number 4 is baby plant. Okay, now we'll see the structure of seed. So here you have the structure of seed as you can see in the picture given here. So the outermost covering is called seed coat. Okay, this, so it is the outer covering that protects the seed and the baby plant inside it. Okay, so what is the use of seed coat? To protect the baby plant, okay, and the seed. Then hilum, Hilum. Hilum is basically the part of seed coat. Okay, so it is the tiny opening inside the seed coat through which seed absorb air, water and other air and all. Okay, so seed will absorb water through this part called hilum. Okay, now cotyledon, it is the part which stores food for seed, okay, and food for the baby plant basically to grow. The structure inside the seed coat is broken down into two halves. Each half is called a seed leaf or cotyledon. Seed leaves contain food for the baby plant. Okay, now we'll see what is baby plant. So it is the part of seed which grows into a new plant. It is also called embryo. So basically a seed is made up of these four parts: seed coat, hilum, cotyledon and baby plant. Seed coat will protect the seed. Okay, hilum will absorb water, cotyledon will store food, and baby plant embryo will grow into a new plant. Okay, so these four parts are there in a seed. Now we'll see what is a seed dispersal. The process in which seed are scattered far away from the parent plant to obtain suitable condition for germination or to grow is called dispersal of seed. Dispersal of seed is basically scattering of seed to far away places in search of the appropriate conditions where a seed can get all essential things which a seed required to grow into a plant. Okay, what are the agents of seed dispersal? Number one is wind, number two is water, number three is animal, and number four is explosion. So first of all we'll discuss dispersal by wind. Okay, some fruits have very light or winged shaped seed. Okay, they are easily blown away to far off places by wind. Example of such plants are dandelion. Okay, it has these light weighted It has very light structure. It can flew away with the help of wind. Okay. Next is maple. Its leaves are wing shaped. Okay, so they can flow easily in the wind. Next, cotton. Cotton is also very light in weight. Now we'll see the dispersal by water. Some fruits have waterproof covering or are very light, so that they can float on water and are carried out to far off places. So these kind of plants basically they have waterproof covering. Waterproof covering का मतलब क्या होगा कि वाटर में ये बेकार नहीं होती एंड वेरी लाइट, काफ़ी हल्की होती हैं. ओके, जिससे कि ये आसानी से पानी में तैर सकते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट वन इज कोकोनट. कोकोनट आपने देखा होगा, कोकोनट के ऊपर एक कवरिंग होती है ना, फाइबर्स की कवरिंग होती है कोकोनट के सीड के ऊपर, सो दैट इट कैन ईजिली फ्लोट इन द वाटर बेसिकली, है ना. तो एयर फिल्ड होती है उसमें और फाइबर से कवर होता है, जिसकी वजह से उसका वेट काफ़ी हल्का हो जाता है और वो पानी में आसानी से तैर सकता है. ओके, सो इट विल गो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर. नेक्स्ट, वाटर लिली. ओके, वाटर लिली का प्लांट आपने देखा होगा, वो भी उसमें ग्रो करता है आपका वाटर में. सो इट विल ऑल्सो फ्लोट ऑन वाटर. So its seeds are very light. Okay. Now we'll see dispersal by animals. Animals कैसे seed को एक place से दूसरी place तक ले जाते हैं. तो some seeds have hook-like structures. Okay. Hook-like structures जैसे pin type की होती है ना, कांटे. Hook-like structures that help them to cling on animals' fur. Okay. Animals के fur पर फंसने में help करता है. जैसे कि आप example देख सकते हो berries. ठीक है. और स्टिकी सब्सटेंस होता है दैट स्टिक टू एनिमल्स स्किन. दीज एनिमल्स स्कैटर दीज सीड टू फार अवे प्लेसेस. ओके, तो बेरीज हैं, इनमें स्टिकी सब्सटेंस होता है. ठीक है. कॉकलेबर, सो ये एज यू कैन सी हेयर. ओके, दिस हैज हुक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. मिस्टलटो इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. ओके, now we'll see dispersal by explosion. So some seeds explode basically. They have leathery covering or are found out inside the pods that explodes or split out. Explode मतलब blast हो जाते हैं या फूट जाते हैं ना, टूटना जिसको बोलते हैं. When exposed to sun or when they dry up or even when they touched. तो जब हम उनको छूते हैं या सन के जब सामने आते हैं वो, या फिर सूखने के बाद वो ड्राई हो जाते हैं और उनकी ऊपर की कवरिंग निकल जाती है और उनके अंदर से जो सीड्स होते हैं वो निकलकर दूसरे प्लेसेस पे स्कैटर हो जाते हैं. तो आफ्टर एक्सप्लोजन सीड स्कैटर टू फार अवे प्लेसेस. ओके, एग्जांपल्स. पीज, मटर आपने देखी होगी, मटर के ऊपर लेदरी कवरिंग होती है ना, तो ये ब्लास्ट हो जाती है, एक्सप्लोड करती है एक तरीके से, और इसके अंदर से जो सीड्स हैं वो थोड़ी दूरी पे गिरते हैं जाकर और वहाँ पर एक नया प्लांट ग्रो कर जाता है. पीनट्स ऑल्सो है ना, डिस्पर्स बाय दिस मेथड ऑफ एक्सप्लोजन. कैस्टर इज also an example of such kind of seed, okay, which disperse through explosion. Balsam. Okay, so these are some examples of plants that those seeds that disperse through explosion. Okay, जिनमें explosion के through dispersal होता है. Gorse is also a type of plant. Okay, so here you have all kinds of dispersals. So I hope it is clear to all. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a nice day. And if you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.